The Georgia Department of Public Health held a free testing site for the community. News Channel 6's Taylor Leverett joins us live in the newsroom with more. Taylor?
Thanks, Renetta. Some of the highest rates of HIV diagnoses are found here in Georgia and South Carolina, with African Americans leading the number of HIV cases. That's why the Georgia Department of Public Health is urging everyone to know their status and get tested.
Better to know than not to know, so that either route we can make sure you're connected to services.
The Georgia Department of Public Health is joining in the fight to stop the spread of HIV and AIDS.
Knowing your status is really important, whether it's negative or positive, because if you're negative, we have the tools to keep you negative. If you're positive, we have the resources to make sure you can live a long, healthy life.
Health departments we looked into report HIV still remains the leading cause of death among adults in the U.S. Despite the numbers, there are aspects of the disease many people do not know.
You can only get HIV through sexual contact with someone, or injection drug usage, or breast milk. So it's the myths that they are afraid of, the most commonly ones, that's not true. It's not true that everyday contact, touch, eating, drinking, those are not ways that individuals get HIV from someone.
The testing site offered people a free rapid HIV test, which is a new way to be tested, and it takes only a minute to get your results.
Get your index finger. Okay.
Organizers with the testing site say it's important for people to know their status no matter the result.
A lot of people think that HIV is, something of the past, something that you don't have to worry about or anything. And so it's just still important to get pockets of society to educate them that HIV is still something that we need to educate the people on.
The information may change about HIV, but DPH's mission continues to remain the same: to stop the stigma, educate, and get people tested.
We have lots of tools and resources to make sure individuals live a long, healthy life. Overall goal is to make sure those individuals who are living with HIV can focus on taking care of themselves medically, and we can provide some assistance along the way.
The efforts continue to fight HIV here in Georgia. In fact, HIV infections dropped 6% over the last 6 years. The Georgia Department of Public Health attributes the decline to effective prevention and treatment strategies. For information on how to get tested and know your status, you can follow the link to this story on WJBF.com. Back to you.
On Tuesday, South Carolina health officials will provide free testing across the state for HIV and sexually transmitted diseases. The Department of Health and Environmental Control recommends making an appointment. State health officials say at least 20,000 people in South Carolina have HIV. In Georgia, it's more than 57,000.